In 700 yards, keep left.
So shortly we're going to leave the dual carriageway to go to Fleetsbridge Roundabout.
In 600 yards, keep left.
After exiting the dual carriageway, we want to make a U-turn at the roundabout, 5th exit. So because we're going to make a U-turn at the roundabout, we're going to position ourselves on the right-hand lane of the slip road. On the right-hand lane of the slip road. So we're going to exit the dual carriageway.
Keep left.
Then we're going to keep here on the right-hand lane of the slip road. We're going to cancel
In
the signal,
300 yards,
check
take
mirrors,
the
and
5th
start to
exit at
slow
Orset
down.
Way.
So we need the 5th exit here. So we're going to keep close to the center of the roundabout. Almost until last exit.
Take the 5th exit.
Signal is optional here because it is a traffic light controlled roundabout. So 5th exit is going to be towards Bournemouth and Ringwood. First exit goes towards Poole. We're going to read the road markings, Ringwood and Bournemouth. Second exit on the left. Third exit goes towards Dorchester. We're going to be aware of the lights too. Now here, this lane is going to split into two. We're going to pick this one, says Bournemouth and Ringwood. Exit goes to Wimborne. Now we're going to find the curb on our left side, and then we're going to say curb to curb all the way to left.
Take the indicated exit and then keep left. Keep left to Nuffield Road.
Once you are out here,
in 400 yards, your destination is on your right.
Signal is not going to cancel itself because we are not moving the steering wheel too much, and there's a junction here, so we have to make sure we cancel the signal.